powerful character in the Dragon Ball superhero movie. And they are
Pan and Gohan!
and Gohan! Again, these are the main protagonists in the superhero movie Gohan and Pan. Look at this, guys. Look at them. Look at my Gohan and also Pan. Pan is in a school uniform. In a green school uniform. Look at that. How cute is Pan, right?
Oh, yeah.
Pan is very cute and very small. And also we have this
Gohan.
Gohan in a Piccolo uniform. Look at that, guys. Look at this box. This is amazing.
What's
and if you haven't watched the movie yet, Aaron, we will watch later, okay?
We haven't watched it.
Yeah, we haven't watched the movie, but actually the trailers are really amazing.
What's up, Piccolo uniform?
Yeah, this is Piccolo's uniform. Actually, Gohan is his student. That's why he's in his Piccolo uniform. Look at that, guys. This is amazing. This box and these characters are amazing. As you can see, this box has a golden sticker. Show them the golden sticker. Wow! The golden sticker means
it was released in Japan.
it's released in Japan. Alright, we
This is
love
so
this.
nice.
This is an Ichiban Kuji Dragon Ball superhero Master Lice. Look at that, guys. Master Lice. Again, there are a lot of Master Lice that are being released this year, and it's so amazing. Like the Android saga, where they released Android 17, Android 18, and 16 together with Android Dr. Gero and the Fat Guy, of course, right? So also they're releasing the one that has this Piccolo who is raising his hand, and also Goku with a very big body like Trunks. Wow, it's so cool. It's so amazing. And Fat Boo also will be released this year, and also they are
Are
releasing.
we gonna unbox the Fat Boo?
Yeah, of course, if we have them here in our hands, we will unbox them, okay? Yeah, but before that, shout out time! We missed the shout out, so we will have a shout out time. Shout out to our DBC Boys family, namely Paul Matisa, Aljon Ladrigan, Amir Minanilla, Sir Benedict Chua, FL De Vera, Francis Chi, Christopher Galicia, Kyomi Amari, Mark Z, Red Sabroso, Rin Barrera, Ronel Liwanag, and Shane Zo de los Reyes. Hi guys, how are you? Hope you like this unboxing episode.
Press the like button.
Yeah, just press the like button and share it to your friends, okay? Also, shout out to our DBC shops, legit shops that always have our back, providing us with great and amazing figures, namely A&P Collectibles, Mia Figs, 8Z, Ultra Toy Ground, Dakos JP Figures, and Silver Toys. Hi guys, hope you like this episode of our unboxing of Gohan and Pan.
Shout out to our family and friends. Vincent, Kuya, Boss B, Tita Boots, Tita Grace, Mommy Bona!
Alright, shout out to them. Also, a special shout out to Sir Mike Velasco. Hello, Sir Mike. Thank you for your support. Keep on watching. Thank you guys. And now we are going to feature this t-shirt. Alright, shout out to Vintage Vibes Manila for providing us with again this great anime shirt. I have the Trunks t-shirt. Look
I
at
have
that.
what's this called?
Gohan t-shirt.
Gohan t-shirt.
Alright, the Kid Gohan, and also the Ultra Instinct Gohan, the Gohan
I
that
love this
is
t-shirt. The cotton is so soft.
Great Saiyaman. Also, look at my Trunks shirt. I love it. Oh, look at that. Kid Trunks and Future Trunks. Look at them.
Frieza.
Okay, also we have Trunks 2/ Frieza into two. Look at that. How cool is this? Thank you, Vintage Vibes Manila. Thank you, Vintage Vibes Manila, for hooking us up with this amazing shirt. Keep on hooking us up, okay? Thank you guys from Vintage Vibes Manila. Alrighty then, and now we are going to go to our new segment. Do you know what this segment is, Aaron?
No.
No, because this is a new segment.
Wow.
Yeah, we are going to feature our custom figures. So we will call this segment the figure segment. All right, we have the figure segment. All right, and now because we are using because we are wearing Trunks and Gohan, we will feature our new custom-made figures, Trunks and Gohan. And here they are. Show me, Aaron. Look at this Gohan that we made. Oh, look at that, guys. This is a Kai suit Gohan. Where in the Majin Buu saga, he wears the Kai suit in the planet of the Kais. Look at that. The golden button, the orange belt. Alright, look at that, guys. This is a Grandista Gohan that I customized and painted. Alright, look at that, guys. Oh, look at that, sir. How amazing is this Gohan? I loved it. Actually, I was very amazed how I was able to create such a figure. I did not expect this figure to look like
Did you make
this.
this too? The shoulder?
Yeah, everything I made from scratch. This is a base from a Grandista Gohan. The one stand up, Aaron. I'll show you. You can see here this Gohan here. The what we call this Gohan, Aaron? This is the ultimate Gohan. All right. This character came from a ultimate Gohan, yet I customized it with the use of some epoxy sculpt clay. Alright, I was able to create this wonderful shirt, and with a little or more imagination and creativity, okay, I've been able to produce such a Gohan. Look at that, sir. Do you like it, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at my Gohan. Also, we will feature, please hold this one, Aaron. Of course, Trunks. Look at this, guys. This is future Trunks. And I have here in my head, ooh, look at that, Aaron. Future Trunks. Again, this future Trunks came from a Super Saiyan God Trunks. Okay, so let's take this out so you can see the face. So this Trunks I made from a Super Saiyan God Red hair Trunks, but I was able to make it into a future Trunks.
Wow.
Alright, can you see, Aaron?
Yeah.
But this one, I made it not purple hair but yellow hair with Super Saiyan eye green and eyebrows.
To be purple hair.
Yeah, Trunks has a purple hair. Look at that. This Trunks. But why did I make it yellow? Because I want to show the people that this Trunks is a pre-Super Saiyan Trunks, meaning he's just turning into a Super Saiyan. He's turning into a Super Saiyan. That's why I made it yellow. As you can see, the anime, when they are angry and became Super Saiyan, they turn their hair to yellow. And also, I used the jacket. I used the vest of Gogeta, Grandista. Look at that, sir.
It has so many details.
Yeah, and this one is put his back. He wear his sword actually, but it can't fit right now because of the vest. So I put it at the other hand, so it shows that he was holding it like that. All right. So do you like it, guys? This is an amazing figure. I'm so amazed how I made it. And also the shoes, guys. Look at the shoes. I also customized it. Look at that, sir. And we will put now the sword.
There's so much detail.
Oh yeah, actually. So it will look like this. Alright, so amazing. This is my Super Saiyan or pre-Super Saiyan Trunks that I've customized by yours truly, Goku Saiyan Rules.
Wow!
Yeah, so show them around the Gohan and also Trunks. Gohan and Trunks. Look at that, guys. Look at us. We have this amazing custom. Hope you like it also. So hit us in the comment below if you like our custom, or if not, it's okay. This is just how I want it to be. Also, I wanted to share to you again this. I have also tried to recreate or mix the SMSP and Extreme Saiyan Extra UI and Super Saiyan into one custom. So actually, Aaron, this is it. Boom! Look at that, the Extreme Saiyan Extra body. This is a Ultra Instinct body, yet look at the face and his hair, guys. Look at that. This is a Super Saiyan Ultra Instinct body. Look at that. His hair came from a Super Master Star piece. Oh, look at that. Do you like it, Aaron?
Yeah.
I'll show them, Aaron. Alright, this is a Super Saiyan battle damage collaboration, or what you call this, a custom. Yeah, it came from a Goku UI, like that. Think about it.
It changed the hair?
Yeah, change it to a Super Saiyan. Alright, do you like it, Aaron?
Yeah.
And it's not only that, I made another one. This guy, I made also the Super Saiyan Blue. This came from, the idea came from Broly movie. This one is from the Cooler movie. Okay, while this one came from, actually not Cooler, I think it's Buu Saga, from the Buu Saga, because he doesn't have the belt. But this one has a belt, and this belt came from a Gogeta Grandista belt. Actually, this Gogeta Grandista belt is very perfect for every type of custom. So guys, amazing. I like it really. Look at that. So this is a Super Saiyan Blue from the Broly movie. So again, so look at that, guys.
It's supposed to be red hair, Goku.
Yeah, before it was a red hair Goku, but I changed it to a Super Saiyan Blue. Alright, do you like it, Aaron?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at our custom, guys. Hope you love it. So hit us with the comments below if you also like our custom made figures. This is an Extreme Saiyan Extra. Alright, oh, look at that. From Ultra Instinct into a Super Saiyan Blue, and also to Super Saiyan. Aha! So again, Aaron, thank you guys for that. And now we are going to our favorite segment, the Loots! Alright, Loots time, Loots time, Loots
I'm going to
time.
get the loot. Where's Dad? Who's going to get the loot? Huh? Huh? Not your hair!
I brace you to get the Loots. I've tried the Ultra transmission technique and it's so fun! And now here's our Loots. Aaron, look at that. This looks familiar, right? The purple, the blue, the red. They are the Ginyu Forces. Oh, thank you for hooking us up. R&M Hobbies and Toys. Thank you for this loot. Alright, let's open the loot. Yeah, they're aliens, of course. They're not from here, and we will compose them together. Get a piece, Aaron, and try to the leg piece off. I think this is Bertha. Bertha has these parts. Alright, the Ginyu Forces. Bertha with the blue skin. The guy with the blue skin is the fastest among the Ginyu Forces.
Dynamic frog.
Yeah, the dynamic frog where Captain Ginyu changed body. Alright, look at Bertha, guys. Amazing, I love it. And this is Other one is G's. Oh, look at G's, guys. G's looks amazing,
Is
right?
this the guy who changed into the
Yeah, that's
crab?
Captain Ginyu himself. That's the Ginyu Forces. It's the Captain Ginyu. It's the right hand of Frieza. Alright, look at this. This one is G's. Alright.
The frog is so small but so many details.
And this green guy, Bertha. Yeah, look at that small guy with four eyes. Yeah, 4 eyes. 2 on the sides and of course the 2 in the front.
The two
Look at
sides are
that.
much bigger.
Yes, they are all members of the famous Ginyu Forces. And of course, you can forget the one who made this is Vegeta cry.
Oh,
And also Gohan and Krillin.
that's not
This is the strongest
alien. This is
among the, what they call this, Ginyu Forces. He is the strongest.
Who is this?
And he is Rekum.
Oh,
This is Rekum.
where's this pink guy?
That's G's. Yeah. Rekum is one of the most powerful Ginyu Forces. And of course, don't forget, we have, of course, the leader of the Ginyu Forces, Captain Ginyu himself. Look at that with scalper. Okay. In his famous special attack is the body change, where he was able to change body with Son Goku. And I think you know already what happened. Alright. These are the famous Ginyu Forces. Alright. Bertha, G's, Rekum, G's, Bata. Alright. Look at that, guys. Again, thank you R&M Hobbies and Toys for these wonderful loots. And now, so cool, right? And now we are going to our main event. Alright, we will unbox now the Gohan and Pan. Alright, this is now what we're waiting for. Okay? Oh, alright, that is
my
Pan.
hand?
Yeah, in your hand. Amazing. Also, this guy. Look at that. Wow. This is Son Gohan. Alright, in the Dragon Ball superhero movie. This guy really looks amazing, right? And also Pan, his daughter. Look at with this what do you call this? Uniform. School uniform. Come on here, Aaron. Alright. Look at that. So now, enable us to open this box. We will get our trusty cutter. Alright, take out the 3 tapes in the back and on the sides. Boom! Now it's open. We will first open the box of Gohan. Again, you'll see there's a clamshell, the cardboard clamshells inside. And inside the box is Son Gohan. Alright, we will take this one. Ooh, look at that, guys. Set this aside.
How about the legs?
What legs?
Oh,
Yeah.
this is there.
Actually, this is already partition in 3. It's commonly partition in 3 when you are using Master Lights. The upper body, look at that. With the head, look at that, guys. And also the lower body, containing all the feet and the legs. And also, the third part is the stand. Okay. And also, we will take this cute little
Pan.
girl here, Pan, Goku's granddaughter. Okay, we'll unbox her. Again, at the back, pooch, and on the 2 sides, kabooch. Alright, and then as you can see, both the same with the cardboard clamshell box, and almost the same with the triangular shape clamshell that cases this figure, so it will not be damaged even though you will ship them overseas. So again, Pan is partition only into 2. Okay, the whole figure, Pan, and also her cute little stand. Look at that. So cute. Alright, okay, now we will take them out of the plastic. Alrighty then. Let's see how big they are.
Stan is so small.
Yeah, Pan is actually spoiled because she's just a little kid. Oh, look at that, guys. With the bubble wrap on his head.
Take out the bubble wrap.
Yeah, the bubble wrap. Please hold this one. Also,
Oh!
this is the lower pad. Oh, look at that. With the purple pants. And the red belt. And the ochreish signature shoes. Alright, the Yeezy shoes of... No, it's not Yeezy. Actually, this is the authentic shoes of Piccolo. Look at the shoe. Look at... So, let's put them together. Alright. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Look at that, Aaron! Wow! Look at that. Amazing. The size is actually almost the same as this guy. Oh! Man, they look amazing, right? Side by side, they're almost similar in height. This guy is just smaller, but you can actually put them together. Yeah, with a small head. But again, this one is very amazing. Look at that. Step outside. Alright. Put this one here. Okay, look at that.
How about Pan?
And please hold this one. So take out Pan also. Oh man. Oh, Pan is really cute, guys. Look at that. Oh, she is really cute with her pinkish cheeks. Look at that, so cute. Can you see it, guys? With a pinkish cheek. With also black bag, school bag. And again, her school, what do you call this? Tag. I think it's tag. Alright. With a cute hat, green hat. Alright. And that amazing haircut. I love Pan's haircut. Look at that. Oh, look at that. The skirt. Yeah, the bag. And Pan has a green socks and black shoes. Really so cute. And together, Aaron.
Pan is so small.
Yeah, compared with Gohan, she's just small. Alright. Daddy, daddy. Alright. Here. Oh. Together with his father. It's a father and daughter thing. Pan just is almost just above the knee. Above the knee of Gohan. Look at that, guys. That's how small Pan is. And now, later we will show you these two inside the glass cab again. And also we will show you the 360 version in our what do you call that? Turntable. Okay, so this is how it will looks like. Again, guys, this two figure of the Dragon Ball Super movie, yeah, superhero movie. Okay, watch them, guys, please. Okay, we will watch it later. We will watch them because we haven't watched them already. But the figure is amazing. That's what I can say, right? So, from Goku, Saiyan, Rose, we would like to say, see ya! and Rose! And if you want to see more of our unboxing, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell, and smash the like button! Until next time here at Gohan and Rose, we would like to say Kamehameha!